From ancient philosophers to modern-day astronomers, humanity has long gazed at the stars and wondered, are we alone? This question, echoing through millennia, has fueled our imagination and driven our quest to explore the cosmos. For centuries, our own solar system, with its familiar planets and moons, marked the boundary of our celestial knowledge. But what lay beyond? In recent decades, our cosmic horizons have dramatically expanded. We've entered a new era of discovery, one where the search for planets beyond our solar system has become a reality. These alien worlds, known as exoplanets, are captivating scientists and the public alike, offering tantalizing clues about the diversity of planets in the universe and the potential for life beyond Earth. Join me as we embark on a journey to explore these distant worlds, unraveling their mysteries and pondering the profound implications of their existence. So, what exactly are exoplanets? Put simply, they are planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. They come in a bewildering array of sizes, compositions, and orbital configurations, challenging our preconceived notions of what a planetary system can be. Some are gas giants larger than Jupiter, while others are rocky worlds closer in size to Earth. Some orbit their stars so closely that their surfaces are scorching hot, while others circle at frigid distances. The discovery of exoplanets has revolutionized our understanding of planetary formation and evolution. Before their detection, we only had our own solar system as a model, leading to assumptions that other planetary systems would be similar. However, the incredible diversity of exoplanets has shown us that our cosmic neighborhood is far from typical. This realization has profound implications. It suggests that the universe is teeming with planets, many of which may harbor conditions suitable for life. The search for exoplanets is a challenging endeavor. These distant worlds are incredibly faint and outshone by the brilliant light of their host stars. To overcome this obstacle, astronomers have developed ingenious methods for detecting these elusive objects. One of the most successful techniques is the transit method. This method relies on observing the subtle dimming of a star's light as an exoplanet passes in front of it, blocking a tiny fraction of its light. Another powerful technique is the radial velocity method, also known as the Doppler wobble method. This method detects the tiny wobble of a star caused by the gravitational pull of an orbiting exoplanet. By analyzing the star's light spectrum, astronomers can measure the slight shifts in its wavelengths, revealing the presence of an unseen companion. These methods, along with other advanced techniques, have enabled us to detect thousands of exoplanets, with many more discoveries on the horizon. Section 4. Worlds of Wonder and Intrigue. The exoplanets discovered so far have revealed a universe stranger and more wonderful than we could have imagined. Take, for example, Proxima Centauri b, a rocky exoplanet orbiting within the habitable zone of Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our Sun. This intriguing world, slightly larger than Earth, has sparked intense interest as a potential abode for life. Then there's Kepler 452b, a super-Earth located about 1,400 light-years away. This planet orbits a sun-like star within its habitable zone, suggesting the possibility of liquid water on its surface, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. These are just two examples of the many remarkable exoplanets discovered, each with its own unique set of characteristics and potential for harboring life. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are bound to uncover even more bizarre and fascinating worlds, expanding our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Section 5. Are we alone? The search continues. The discovery of exoplanets has reignited our fascination with the search for extraterrestrial life. The sheer number and diversity of these alien worlds suggests that life, in some form, may be common throughout the universe. The next step in this grand endeavor is to search for biosignatures, chemical fingerprints that could indicate the presence of life on these distant worlds. Future telescopes, both on the ground and in space, will be equipped with advanced instruments capable of analyzing the atmospheres of exoplanets, searching for telltale signs of life. The quest to answer the age-old question, are we alone, is far from over. In fact, it has only just begun. The exploration of exoplanets is a journey of discovery, a testament to human curiosity and our unyielding desire to understand the universe and our place within it. As we continue to peer into the cosmos, we do so with a sense of wonder and anticipation, knowing that each new discovery brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe, and perhaps, one day, finding evidence of life beyond our pale blue dot.